Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have p cubed minus p square is equal to 18, and we will solve this problem for the value of p. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we move this 18 from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be rewritten as p cubed minus p square minus 18 is equal to 0. After that, here we need any two numbers which we can write. The one number is right in cubic form and one we can write in square form, so that we will write this 18 as 27 minus, because here you have minus 18, we can write minus 27 plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 27 plus 9 is 18. The reason to write this minus 27 plus 9 is that because here we need two numbers in which one number is converted in cubic form and one in square form. So here you can write this 27 as 3 cube and you can write this 9 as 3 square, because here I can make the pair of cubic terms and square term in order to solve or in order to find the value of this p. So that I will make the pair of cubic terms, and the cubic terms are p cube minus 27, and we will write this 27 as 3 cube. And here you have minus p square and plus 9, we will take common minus sign and we get here p square minus, here you have 9 and we will write it as 3 square is equal to 0. After that we will apply here the nice square and cubic formula, and the cube formula is if you have a cube minus b cube, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. And similarly you have square formula, which is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times of a plus b. So now we will use these two formulas. So first I can apply the cubic formula in this term. You just put here only a is equal to p and b is equal to 3 in this formula, and you get the output in this form: p minus 3 times of p square plus 3p and plus 3 square minus, here you have p square minus 3 square, and we will apply here this square formula, and you get p minus 3 times of p plus 3 and whole is equal to 0. After that we will take common p minus 3 from both of the terms, and you get p minus 3 times of p square plus 3p plus, here you have 3 square which is 9, and here you have minus sign, we multiply this minus sign on both of the terms, and you get minus p minus 3 is equal to 0. So here we have two cases. The first case is we take p minus 3 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take this term is equal to 0, and this term is equal to p square. Here you have 3p and here you have minus p, and it will becomes plus 2p, and 9 minus 3 is plus 6 is equal to 0. So now we solve these two cases. So in this case we get the value of p is 3. So in order to find the other roots or other values, we will solve this quadratic equation, and because in this question we need only real roots, so that first I will check this quadratic equation has real roots or complex roots by using the discriminant formula. And you know about the discriminant formula. Here you have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 6. And our discriminant formula is delta is equal to b square minus 4 times of ac. And here you remember one thing about the discriminant is that if this delta is less than 0, then we can say that this quadratic equation has no real root. And if this delta is greater than 0, then we say that this quadratic equation has two real roots. Or if this delta is equal to 0, then we will say that this quadratic equation has one real root. So now we will check the behavior of this delta by putting the values of a, b and c, and we will judge it is less than 0, greater than 0 or equal to 0. So that now we put all the values of a, b and c in this delta, and you get, here you have b squared, the value of b is 2, it is 4 minus 4 times of a is 1, and the value of c is 4. So 4 times of 6 is minus 24, and it is equals to minus 20. So here you see that our delta is less than 0. So if our delta is less than 0, we say that it has no real roots. So if it is no real roots, so that we will reject it this case, and we can just proceed here this case only. So p is equal to 3 be the only solution of the given equation. So now in order to check this, is this satisfy the given equation or not, so we just put p is equal to 3 in the given question. So the statement of given question is this, and we will put here p is equal to 3, and it will becomes 3 cube minus 3 square is equal to 18, and 3 cube is 27 minus 9 is equal to 18, and it will becomes 18 is equal to 18. So this shows that p is equal to 3 satisfy the given equation, and p is equal to 3 be the only solution of the given algebraic equation. And this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.